am Gauri Ashok Pere of class 10. Today I am going to give a speech on Marathwada Mukti Sangram Din. As we all know, India got independence on 15th August 1947. However, the independence was incomplete. The Nizams were ruling in current Marathwada and Telangana regions. On September 17, 1948, the Indian military invaded state of Hyderabad and freed Marathwada from the slavery of Nizam. After the India-Pakistan partition, princely states were given the option to choose either one of them. However, the ruler of Hyderabad, Osman Ali Khan, decided to remain independent. He appealed to United Nations and his princely state, which included Marathwada and Telangana region statehood. This development sparked a rebellion, and during the revolt, Marathwada saw an uprising against Razakar. The prominent leaders of the revolt were Govindabai Shroff, Swami Ramanand Tirtha, Vijayendra Kabra, P.H. Patwardhan and Ramnabai Parekh. To avoid any balkanization, the government decided to interpret Hyderabad into India. The Indian government had launched a military operation called Operation Polo. The operation took 5 days, in which Razakars were defeated and Hyderabad was united with India. The Marathwada Mukti Sangram Din, also known as Marathwada Liberation Day, is celebrated every year on 17 September to mark the day when Marathwada region became part of India, ending the rule of Nizam of Hyderabad as an effort of Operation Polo. This day marks the anniversary of Marathwada's integration with India, when Indian military, with the help of local rebels, annexed state of Hyderabad, overthrew Nizam and merged Hyderabad into Indian Union on the day 17 September 1948. 13 months after the Indian independence. The Marathwada Liberation Day is a local holiday in Maharashtra. During the official celebration, the Indian national flag is hoisted on offices of administration. People gather around the Marathwada Liberation Day monument and pay tribute to the ones who were killed during the struggle for independence. School also hold rallies attended by the students and teachers. Various seminars are organized to discuss social issues related to the economically backward region of Marathwada. The governor also comes out to greet the local people on this occasion.